When I joined Composites as an intern, my main apprehension was being a fresher and from a non-technical background, I had no clear idea how do we market software solutions as a service to our clients. But now, since I'm almost at the fag end of my internship, I can say it's not just the services that we market to our clients, it's the work culture, the competitive attitude what we have towards the solutions which we deliver, and the commitment towards solving critical business situations for our clients that matters. And putting everything together in a nutshell, that's what we deliver to our clients. I would surely recommend others to do an internship at Composites Software Solutions because it deals with every facet of marketing. As in, I'm talking from the marketing aspect specifically. We get to do a lot of stuffs which are related to many different baskets of marketing. We get to do PR, we get to do event management, we get to do many different activities, internal marketing and everything. As a part of my internship, I was involved with many activities which majorly related to social media marketing for Composites, doing internal marketing, conducting events for the employees at Composites, both at the Pune office and at the Bangalore office from where I am functioning, and many other random events. Like I did PR for many of the events that Composite hosted for all this within this duration of time. Major project that I was involved in was content writing for Composites websites, as in I developed the case studies. I talked with the employees who worked on separate projects, got the information out of them and put it across in the website in the form of a proper case study detailing all the details related to particular clients and whatever Composites did, what solutions Composites provided to the clients, as in talking about the client profile, talking about the business situation, the solution approach and the benefits and results which Composites came up with. I have learned a lot in different and worked in different aspects of marketing. I work with industry experts and I've had the flexibility to work in different projects, take decisions and learn in the process itself. To sum it up, my experience at Composites has been a really good learning experience, and for all those who are interested in working with Composites as an intern, I can vouch for it. It will be a very good learning experience and worth it. So please do jump in and do apply.